Hey Team Inspire, how are you? It's Jess Mitchell here. I am taking the role of Christmas elf today. And it's kind of counterintuitive to me. I don't think holidays in October typically, but lots of women are. They're beginning to prepare for Christmas shopping. Maybe they're doing Christmas at Thanksgiving with a side of the family, or trying to like spread their budget out, or they're just planners like I'm not. Christmas shopping is happening. And so this is a really important time to begin thinking and preparing for how can you serve women. And I just want to share a couple thoughts with you. It's one thing to like comment like, hey, I have gifts, but if you haven't shown them a visual, if you aren't giving them like actual examples, sometimes they're just like, okay, gifts, face wash. Do I want to give someone face wash? Like they're not thinking like we know our line. And so I would encourage you, whether it's in your Facebook group or sending a text a couple times through the holiday season to your customers, or posting something on your public Facebook, or setting up a little display or a basket that you carry with you. In some way, shape, or form, give some visuals of what you offer and provide for women. You don't have to be heavy-handed and crazy. Just giving them a little visual and food for thought can do a lot. And so I want to show you some examples. And I'm just going to tell you guys, I keep the packing materials that I get for orders, and I keep like boxes that I receive from Mary Kay or other places. So literally, I pulled all of this out of my office. I didn't buy anything to put this stuff together. So you might need to spend a few dollars, but you don't need to spend a ton on packing. Just utilizing boxes that you have that are in a nice shape. You can fluff them up, put some ribbon, and it will look nice. It's just important to put that little extra so that it's visually appealing. So if you want to see more about that and resources, I posted in our Facebook group, Megan Kalbach has a whole holiday tutorial, and she's wonderful, and I learned a lot from her. So I don't take credit. Go watch those resources. But let me show you a couple things. So I put one of our mini skincare sets in this box, and talking about how we have 3 different skincare sets that they can get a mini version between $20 and $35 and put it in a stocking, or give it to someone that they think would love a full-on skincare line, but yet doesn't cost them a bunch of money to give. So I'm showing those. Our charcoal mask is a huge one. I don't know if y'all have demoed it a lot. I've been doing them at our spa experiences, and women love the stuff. Like they don't even have to use it to order one. So I put a charcoal mask and a brush together, and that is a gift set. And there are cute cards out there that say like lump of coal, and you can attach a little card that says lump of coal. I mean, it's super cute and super simple. I put together a flawless face pack. It's a foundation, a primer, and a tool. So I put the beauty blender, but you could do a brush and make that a gift set. And it's just in a pretty box, so it looks really appealing. I didn't have to go order a million things. I just pulled from stuff I had so that I could show people, and then I'm using the language of pre-orders so that I'm not trying to stock the whole deal. Like you may order a few things, but I'm not trying to stock it all. I'm starting ahead, and I'm going to be talking about it ahead so that people can order them, and I have time to gather and put it together. Right now for this year, I didn't necessarily save ahead for all my gifting, and so I needed some space, and so I'm starting early, and people are responding. They are. I put together a satin gift, which is our satin hands and satin lips. I don't want it to all fall apart here, but it's all just poking. I took them out of the boxes so it looks really pretty and looks very full. That's an awesome one that anybody would love. And then I took time to explain as well some of our best sellers to my customers, like, hey, here's the products everyone loves, no matter who they are, always. And that way they know, okay, cool. So best-selling products, that's a good way to go for gifting. And I'm talking about their service technician people in their lives. I'm talking about teachers. I'm talking about just people that they want to give something special and kind of customize, but they may not know the person well, and a price point of $10 to $25, $35. So trying to make sure that they can get something simple like our Mint Bliss foot lotion with a pair of socks. Oh my. And options that are feasible, but things that they can see. Doing visual things for your customers, for the people that you're holding appointments with, is going to be crucial to actually selling the stuff, because people just, they don't know. And they walk into a store and it's right there in front of them. They stick it in their basket. We want to be just that real and that visual for them. And it will make a huge difference in the holiday shopping. So I also want to encourage you to think about your own shopping. What products and things would you love to give? You get half off. So what might cost a customer $50, you can give for 29 bucks. Can you imagine satin hands and satin lips to give someone and it barely was more than $25? That's amazing. So your own shopping, if you gave 9 people a $25 gift, that's an activating order for you. 9 people a $25 gift. You probably have that many people. And last year was the first year I really leaned into giving Mary Kay as gifts. I gave a lot of minis, and like to like the really like out there fringe people that I just wanted to have a token for them, but I didn't want to spend even like $10 or $15. You know, $5 gift cards kind of, but to give them, I'll show you. To give them 5 or 6 lip glosses, or I've done a lot of times combining oil-free makeup remover and the little mini mascara. This isn't the teeny sample mascara. This is the mini mascara. That's a great gift. It's fun, and people love this stuff, and they call me for it later. Like I've posted in our group, it was a year later, and she's like, I need some of that now. Fantastic. So don't be afraid. Our products are awesome. Our products are amazing. They work. They do a great job. Sometimes people just haven't been exposed in a while, or they got away from it, but they always love our best-selling products. So be smart as a business owner and give generously, give thoughtfully, think through what they would want. You know, a plain Jane kind of woman might not want lip glosses, but you know, maybe mascara is the only thing she uses, and she would love a new mascara, or various things. There's a lot of minis you can choose from. So I just wanted to encourage you to think that thought. Think about your own giving, that you can give more for less money because you have this business in your home. So have some fun, be creative, and share what you do. We would love to learn from you. I definitely don't have all the ideas. So let's have some fun this holiday season serving people well.